Today we have a competition. We have got 6 extraordinary students on the stage. Yes, buddy. What's your name?
Sir Rohit.
We have Rohit,
My name is Subodh.
Subodh,
My name is Adarsh.
Adarsh,
Vedika.
Vedika,
अंजलि चौहान
Anjali,
कोमल
Komal. So 6 students are on the stage. So in the first round, we'll be talking about translation. I will be asking you sentences based on all those things that we have done in the class, and you have to translate each and everything confidently. So are you ready to speak?
Yes.
So Subodh, how are you feeling, buddy?
Sir, I'm feeling good.
Are you nervous?
No, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Say loudly, I'm a confident boy.
I'm a confident boy.
I can do anything.
I can do anything.
Nothing is impossible.
Nothing is
for me.
impossible for me.
I'm here. I'm here to improve myself.
I'm here to improve myself.
I can do anything.
I can do anything.
If you think
If you
I
think
can't do this, I will do it.
I can't do this, then I will do it.
I will prove myself that I'm the best translator.
I will prove myself that I'm the best translator.
तो हो जाए फिर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं नहीं बोलता.
I don't speak.
क्या बोलने के लिए तैयार?
Are you ready to speak?
आपको पता है रोहन सोहन से 2 साल बड़ा है?
Do you know that Rohan is 2 years elder than Sohan?
मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't know.
रोहन सोहन का सगा भाई है, पता है आपको?
Rohan is the sibling of Sohan.
Rohan is the sibling, or you can say that real brother, biological brother. You know, मैं दौड़ता हूँ.
I run.
मैं सुनता हूँ.
I think.
मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ. I want to listen.
I want to
आपके
listen.
पास क्या है?
What do you
आप
have?
क्या करते
What
हो?
do you do?
आप क्या जानते हो
What do
उसके
you
बारे में?
what do you know about him?
मैं उसके बारे में कुछ
I don't know anything about
मैं
him.
उसके बारे में सब कुछ
I know everything about
मुझे
him.
लगता है ये आपके लिए उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है.
I think this is not that difficult for you.
Okay, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
आप क्या
speak.
बोल रहे हो?
What I was
आपने क्या
speaking.
किया?
What did you do?
What did you do? आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
कल आप कहाँ थे जब मैंने
Where
आपको
were
call
you
किया?
yesterday when I called you?
कल सर जब आपने मुझे कॉल किया मैं सो रहा था.
Yesterday when you called me, I was sleeping.
आप क्या कर रहे थे?
What were you doing?
मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था.
I was studying.
आप पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो?
Why
पढ़ाई
were you
क्यों
studying?
करते
Why
हो?
do you
आप पढ़ाई
study?
क्यों करना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to study?
Why do you want to study? मैं पढ़ाई करना चाहता
I
हूँ.
want to study because I like to study.
Okay, मैं आता हूँ.
I come here.
मुझे आना पसंद
I
है.
like to come
मुझे
here.
बोलना पसंद
I
है.
like to speak.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
I write.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ.
I'm writing.
I'm writing. मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ.
I'm running.
मैं दौड़ता हूँ.
I run.
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
क्या आपका पेन है?
Is this your pen?
मेरे पास कोई
I don't have any pen.
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं.
I have no time.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me
मुझे
go.
लिखने
Let
दो.
me write.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ.
I am writing.
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
Where were you? आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't want
मेरे पास सब
anything.
कुछ है.
I have everything.
I have everything. मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ.
I'm running.
क्या आप दौड़ रहे हो?
Are you running?
Wow, that's great. That's great. Let's translate something different. मैंने उसे दौड़ते हुए देखा और मैं समझ गया कि उसे कुछ अर्जेंट वर्क होगा इसलिए वो दौड़ रहा है.
I saw him running and I understood that he must had some urgent work.
He must have some urgent work or he might have some urgent work. You know, that is why he was running. आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you speak?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या चाहता
I don't know what I want.
हूँ. Oh, that's great. That's great. Wow. He spoke well.
So good.
Good. Are you nervous?
Yes, sir, little bit.
Little bit.
Yes.
Okay. Say loudly. I'm a student of Persona and I never feel nervous.
I am a student of Persona and I never feel nervous.
I'm a confident girl.
I'm a confident girl.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Say loudly. Yes, sir. I'm confident.
Yes, sir, I'm confident.
I can speak on any topic.
I can speak on any
I
topic.
can do anything.
I can do anything.
I can even fly.
I can even fly.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
Okay, now, so I'm asking you sentences back to back and you just have to translate it effectively. So let's see how she's going to translate everyone. Today we have Vedika. मैं दौड़ता हूँ.
I run.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you speak?
मैंने उतना ही बोला जितना आपने मुझे बोलने के लिए कहा.
I spoke as much as you said to me.
I spoke as much as you told me to speak.
Oh.
मुझे लगता है आपने कम बोला.
I think you spoke less.
नहीं, मैंने कम नहीं बोला.
I didn't say it less.
Okay, मुझे बोलने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to speak.
मुझे लिखने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to write.
मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा.
I didn't write anything.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
I didn't do anything.
आपने सब कुछ बोला.
You spoke everything.
आपने सब कुछ बोला और आप बोल रहे हो आपने कुछ नहीं बोला. ये कैसे पॉसिबल है?
You spoke everything and you're saying you said nothing. How is that possible?
How is this possible? Okay.
How is this
मैं
possible?
सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता.
I don't think so
मैं उतना
much.
ही सोचता हूँ जितना कि आप.
I think as much as you do.
मैं आपसे ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ.
I think more than you.
मुझे जाने का मौका दो और मैं साबित कर दूंगा कि मैं एक अच्छा स्पीकर हूँ.
Give me a chance to go and I'll prove that I'm a good speaker.
Okay. आप मुझे बोलने का मौका ही नहीं देते.
You don't give me a chance to
देखो
speak.
मैं आपको इसलिए बोलने का मौका नहीं देता क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप अनकंफर्टेबल और नर्वस फील करती है इसलिए.
I don't give you a chance to speak because I feel you are nervous and uncomfortable. That's why.
You feel nervous and uncomfortable. Okay, आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
I don't want
मेरे पास
anything.
सब कुछ है.
I have
आप कहाँ थे?
everything. Where
आप
were
क्या
you?
चाहते हो?
What do you
आप
want?
क्या कर रहे हो?
What are
क्या
you
आप
doing?
बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to speak?
Are you ready to speak? आप क्या पढ़ाते हो?
What do you
आपने
teach?
क्या पढ़ाया?
What did
ये
you
क्या
teach?
है?
What is this?
क्या यह वही पेन है जो आपके फादर ने आपको बर्थडे पर गिफ्ट किया था?
Is this that pen that your father gave you on your birthday?
Is this the same pen
Oh.
that your father gifted you on your birthday? नहीं सर, ये वो पेन नहीं है जो मेरे पापा ने मुझे दिया था.
No sir, this is not that pen that my father gave me on my
Okay, मैं
birthday.
जानता हूँ आपके पापा ने आपको कौन सा पेन गिफ्ट किया था.
I know the pen that your father gave you.
I know about the pen which your father gifted you on your birthday. मैं सोचता हूँ
I think.
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
I don't
क्या
have
आपके
time.
पास टाइम है?
Do you have time?
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
क्या आपने बोलने की कोशिश की कभी?
Did you try to speak and
Did you ever try to
हाँ.
speak? Have you ever tried to speak? मैंने कभी बोलने की कोशिश नहीं की, इसीलिए मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बोल पाती हूँ. मैं बोल पाता हूँ.
I have never tried to speak, that's why I cannot speak confidently.
Okay, that's great, Vedika. You tried well. Wow, that's great. Clapping. Yes. What's your name?
Adarsh Patel.
Adarsh, we start the session from you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
You're looking very excited today. How are you feeling on the stage?
Sir, good, sir. I'm feeling
Feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Nervous तो नहीं हो?
No, sir.
लग रहा है चेहरे से थोड़ा सा. है ना? और कोई नहीं. Yeah, we'll speak shortly. We will shortly speak well. Okay, मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं नहीं सोचता हूँ.
I don't
मैं
think.
उतना ही सोचता हूँ जितना कि आप.
I think as much as you can.
I think as much as you do. मैं उतना ही बोलता हूँ जितना कि आप.
I speak as much
I
as
speak as much as you do. मैं आपसे ज़्यादा बोलता हूँ.
I speak more than you.
क्या आप मुझसे ज़्यादा बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak more than me?
मैं आपसे ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकता.
I can't speak more than you.
मैं आपसे ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ.
I can speak
मैं
more than you.
आपसे ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ.
I am speaking more than you.
Okay, मुझे जाने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to go.
मुझे बोलने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance
मुझे
to
लिखने का
speak.
मौका दो.
Give me a chance
मुझे
to write.
पढ़ाने का मौका
Give
दो.
me a chance to
मैं नहीं
teach.
पढ़ाना चाहता.
I don't want to teach.
I don't want to teach. Okay, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to speak.
मैंने आपसे ज़्यादा बोला.
I speak more than you.
I speak more than you or I spoke more than you. Everyone
spoke
listen to them very carefully because in the end voting भी होगी. That is why. मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I
आप
speak.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
What are you
आपने क्या
speaking?
बोला?
What did you
आप
speak?
कहाँ थे?
Where
आप
are
क्या
you?
चाहते हो?
What do you want?
What do you want? आपके पास क्या है?
What do you have?
What do you have? कुछ भी difficult नहीं है.
Nothing is difficult.
क्या आप उस लड़के को जानते हो जो वहाँ बैठ के रो रहा है?
Do you know the boy who is sitting
Who
there
is
and
crying
crying?
by sitting there? सर मैं उस लड़के को नहीं जानता.
Sir, I don't know the boy who is
क्या
sitting.
क्या आप उस लड़की को जानते हो जो कल absent थी?
Do you know the girl who was absent today?
Do you know the girl who was absent yesterday? सर मैं
Yes,
उस
sir.
लड़की को नहीं जानता.
Sir, I don't know the girl.
आप किसे जानते हो?
Whom do you know?
मैं सबको जानता हूँ.
I know
Everyone.
everyone.
Okay, fine. That's great. That's great. Yes, buddy. What's your name?
Rohit Kirade.
Rohit. Just be here. So Rohit, how are you feeling on this stage, buddy?
Sir, good.
कैसा लग रहा है stage पर?
Sir, I am feeling good.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you can speak better than all the participants who have spoken today?
I will try.
You will try?
Yes, sir.
So let's get started. Everyone. Today we have Rohit on the stage. Yes. मैं दौड़ता हूँ.
I run.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
What are you speaking?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
आपके पास क्या है?
What do you have?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
What did you do? आपने क्या बोला?
What did you speak?
मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला.
I speak
मुझे
nothing.
बोलने का मौका दो.
Give me chance to
Give
speak.
me chance to speak. मुझे जाने का मौका दो.
Give me chance to
मैं
go.
आपको नहीं जाने दूंगा जब
I
तक
will
आप
not
अपना
let you
homework
go
पूरा नहीं करोगे.
until you do your complete your
I
homework.
will not let you go until you complete your
Homework.
homework. मैं आपको बोलने दूंगा.
I will let you
मैं
speak.
आपको लिखने दूंगा.
I will let
मैं
you
आपको
write.
नहीं लिखने दूंगा.
I will not let you
I will
write.
not let you write. मैं आपको जाने दूंगा.
I will let
मैं
you
आपको
go.
वहाँ जाने दूंगा.
I will let you go there.
I will let you go there. अब आप क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you
अब आप
going
किससे
there?
जाओगे?
How
अब आप
will you
कब
go there?
जाओगे?
When will you go there?
When will you go there? आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
Where were you? आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? आप क्या कर सकते हो?
What can you do?
आपके पास क्या है?
What do you have?
What do you have? आपके पास क्या था?
What did
मेरे
you
पास
have?
कुछ नहीं था.
I had nothing.
I had nothing. और
I didn't have anything.
मेरे पास सब कुछ था.
I had
मेरे पास सब
everything.
कुछ है.
I have everything.
Okay,